Hi boys and girls, it's Shane in my Vampire Den Airbnb. And I have a decorating question I'm just not sure how to handle, and I'd like your opinion. We do all the decor and everything in this ourselves. We have the furniture, all these things we either source or we make. So this clock we found, an old clock, and then we hand sculpted to make little demon horns and bat wings on the pieces. So this is a labor of love for us. We spend a lot of work on everything from the artworks, little details like this on the neck, or the cute little smile that she has on her, the chandeliers that are in here. All of this decor we do ourselves, and it's represented a lot of work. This house was completely burned out and in disrepair to the point that everyone we showed this house to, or everyone that tried to sell us this house or were part of the deal, told us we should just tear it down. There would be no way to save this house. And hi, Shane. Well, it turned out that they may not have been correct, because it cost us less than $12,000 to fix this house, and we've had it for 5 years now as a rental, and it makes us thousands of dollars every single month. So it's been a very profitable adventure for us. But the decor thing we have that we need to figure out is upstairs. So we need to go upstairs and take a look. Just absolutely love the artwork in this house. To me, it's just so fun. My friend TK painted that. This is the room I need your help with. So if you look in here, this is the master bedroom, and we have this ceiling fan over the bed. And the light doesn't work anymore. The switch is broken. Now I can fix the switch for about $3 or $4, but we already have a mini split in the room, and I'm thinking about just doing a pedestal fan and replacing this with a chandelier and ceiling medallion like you saw downstairs. So my question is this: is a ceiling fan over a bed so important to you guys that you'd rather have that, or would it be cooler if I did a chandelier, which would undoubtedly look better than this? While you think about that, I'm gonna walk through the rest here. We've got our bunny room. So I know a bunny room when you're in a vampire house doesn't seem quite appropriate, but then you could see like our black rabbit of Endley and Watership Down on the bedside. We have some Banicula books. Oh, this is starting to fall out. I'll have to come fix that in a bit. Then we have, of course, our Raven bathroom. Hi, Shane. And our shower head and all the Raven feathers. And then the Victorian room, where everything in here is actual vintage, including the mirror, which was made in the 1800s. Look at this bed, isn't this beautiful? Vintage woodwork. Somebody carved all these little elements by hand. They weren't made by machines, but by hand. And we absolutely love these vintage Victorian mirrors. They are delightful. So, serious question. Should I change this to a chandelier, or is a ceiling fan in a bedroom just so important that I should leave it a ceiling fan? Let me know what you think in the comments.